Get more than gold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
The top 3 benefits of a Gold IRA. Wondering why people are turning to Gold IRAs? Here's what makes them so popular. Benefit number 1, a hedge against inflation. When the dollar loses value, gold tends to rise, helping protect your buying power. Benefit number 2, diversification. Adding gold to your retirement portfolio can reduce your overall risk by balancing other investments. Benefit number 3, long-term stability. Gold has been valuable for thousands of years, providing a unique level of security. If you want to secure your future, a Gold IRA might be the answer. Tap the link below the video or go to goldforthefuture.com to get your free guide and see how a Gold IRA can fit into your plan. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.